This is the endangered species known as the piping plover. Here you can see a clip of the bird running in its natural habitat of the beach. Here you can see pictures of the piping plovers. In the top left you have the male. He has a obvious black band around his neck, and he's very white and more colorful than the female, which you can see on the bottom left, who has very dull brown colors. You can also see the babies on the right side, or the chicks, and they are very small and have long legs. Here you can see an adult female plover who is just sitting on her chicks. This is to help keep them warm when they're outside and to protect them as well. Here is the sound that the piping plovers will make. Here you can see the locations that the piping plovers live in. They live in the Great Plains, the Great Lakes, the Atlantic coast, southern areas such as the southern east coast, the south, and parts of Mexico. These are the types of foods that they eat. They eat marine worms, as you can see on the right, fly larvae on the top left, and on the bottom left, crustaceans. They also eat other things such as beetles, mollusks, and some marine animals and the eggs of those marine animals. Piping plovers will forage either alone or in groups, and they usually look for food farther away from the shoreline. The piping plovers became threatened in the Northeast and endangered in the Midwest on December 11, 1985. There are approximately 8,400 breeding pairs left. The reason for this is because of recreational use and industrial development of the beaches. Humans also step on and destroy the nests, and the development of housing in areas where they live have brought down the available living and breeding grounds. A few places that are helping the species are the Binder Park Zoo and the Lincoln Park Zoo. Both of these places are taking in the chicks and sending out teams to help revive and save the chicks that have been affected by human activity. One way to help the piping plover and other bird species is to visit the Cornell Lab of Ornithology website to donate to their cause of helping the birds and restore their species. Another way that you can help is by visiting the Audubon Action Center and signing the petitions that the Migratory Bird Treaty Act that protects piping plovers and other migratory birds does not get revoked. There are also other ways that you can help when you are personally around the species. First, you can be more aware of your surroundings, like being careful where you're walking. You can also pick up your trash so that it doesn't attract predators that focus on the piping plovers. You can also stay away from areas that are marked, such as in the picture that says they're protected, and you can also watch your pets, which are natural predators to the piping plovers.